watching Death by Hook. Cast your fears away.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Robert Munoz. Welcome to my channel, Death by Hook. We are heading to Pine Flat Lake today. Today is March 13th. It is my birthday. My cousins and my uncles are taking me fishing at Pine Flat. Today we're going to try to target some black bass and some spotted bass. We'll see if we can, how we can pull them out. I think today we're going to be focusing on, well, we're going to try a bunch of different things. We're going to try some Nico rig. We're going to try some Ned rig. We're going to try some drop shot. We got some jigs. And I got some homemade baits that I poured up that we're going to try. A couple new colors that we're testing here at Pine Flat. And that's it, man. So enjoy the show. Today is, like I said, March 13th. There's a storm coming in. It's supposed to be 72 degrees today. And it's currently 58 degrees. It's really windy. It's partly cloudy, but it's supposed to be sunny later. So we'll see what the weather holds up to be. At the moment I'm driving up there and I'm about to meet these guys up there and start tying up my rigs. So we'll go from there. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay, our next setup is going to be, this is going to be our Ned rig setup. Ned rig. So we're going with the Z-Man finesse rig. The Z-Man finesse TRD. This, I guess the color's called the Deal. Looks pretty good. Holographic flake, white belly, green. We're gonna set this up on. This is gonna be on my drop shot. Shimano drop shot. My crucial rod, and I'm using a presidential reel with 6-pound braid. So I'm going to tie that up. Actually, I'm going to put a barrel swivel on, well, yeah, I think I am. I'm going to put a barrel swivel to this, and I'm going to drop a leader line to it. So, let me get all that out, and then we'll reshoot. Alright, so we're going from braid to a barrel swivel to 6-pound test. Trying something new here. So now we're gonna put the Z-Man finessed shrooms on there. So we'll tie this bad boy up. So we got that tied on. Go ahead and clip this. Nice and strong. I'm gonna try these Z-Man today. I've never tried these before. Never even tried Ned rig fishing, but I guess it's been real popular, so I'm gonna try it. So one thing they did say about these is they're very stretchy, very durable. So it should last a really long time. If you don't get snagged. So you just run it up just like your normal worm. And there you go. This is what it does on the bottom. It hits, you drag, it wiggles. It hits, drags, it wiggles. So we're gonna try that today. Can you guys see that? All right, we should be ready to fish pine flat now. So our second pine flat setup is we're gonna be throwing darter heads. This is a color called Morning Dawn. I didn't make this, but I try all the time. So it's just a darter head, tied on. I think this is 3/16. So it's gonna come down, and it's just gonna give a lot of action. So that's our second.
Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook. I'm taking the boat to the pier. I got no fear. I'm living it up. I'm filling it up. I got a bucket of fish. Death by hook.
That one? All right, there you go. You got one. Wow.
Rob, it's your day, man.
Happy birthday.
I hope so. Oh yeah.
Drop shot?
Ned rig. Z-man.
Trout. Trout. Oh, it's a blackie. Nice.
No, it's a spot. Spotted bass. Yeah. Nice. That's a fatty tree, dude.
Pretty good.
You gonna break that pole, dude?
Yeah, I wouldn't hold it like that.
That's a nice little. That's about a 2-pounder.
Yeah,
Little
not
over.
bad.
Which color never you using? First gas zooming.
It's
Oh, you're using that shad color.
the shad pattern.
That's cool. Oh yeah, dude.
There he is.
Alright.
First one. Knock the skunk off.
Is that your first fish on this boat?
First one on this boat, dude.
Oh, dude.
He's gone.
First of many.
Today's gonna be a good day, boys.
Cast your fears away. Let's go fish all day. Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook. I'm taking the boat to the pier. I got no fear. I'm living it up. I'm filling it up. I got a bucket of fish. Death by hook. Cast your fears away. Let's go fish all day. Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook. I'm taking the boat to the pier. I got no fear. I'm living it up. I'm filling it up. I got a bucket of fish. Death by hook.
Back down.
Now that's the thing with these. If you get a hit and you miss it, just drop it back down. They'll.
He got him.
This time he did.
Got him. No way, dude. Little guy? Nice.
Cast your fears away.
Dang, oh
Let's
yeah,
go fish
he's
all
on
day. Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook. I'm taking the boat to the pier. I got no fear. I'm living it up. I'm filling it up. I got a bucket of fish. Death by hook. Cast your fears away. Let's go fish all day. Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook. I'm taking the boat to the pier. I got no fear. I'm living it up. I'm filling it up. I got a bucket of fish. Death by hook.
Broke off right here.
You have to.
Broke it right here.
Right here.
Yeah. Here.
stretches the line out.
Mm.
It's gonna get caught in someone's problem. Alright.
Nice.
Catching it and get it.
Little one. Oh,
Oh,
man, he flipped out that.
The worm.
Son of a bitch. What the hell kind of?
You
What is
catching
it?
bait over here?
Yeah. Hey,
What is that thing?
it's a little baby spot.
The baby spot?
No, let
Oh.
me see. That's a spot. That's a spot. I can tell. Let me see. That's a spotty.
Sushi?
It's black, dude. No, look at his tongue, dude. It's a spot, bro. You see the spots up here?
Well, jumped off out of the boat on this one.
Away. Let's go fish all day. Let's go to the bay and get a death by hook.
Let me see. I let him have it again. Yeah, he's back. He's back. That's a little tiny fucker. It's a little baby ass bass.
Maybe it's a trap.
Maybe it's a trap. Yeah, he's gonna take off right now. What the hell is going on catching these little tiny mothers?
Because you're using a small worm, bro.
Look at that, he tore that worm in half.
Damn, he was hungry.
Those
huh?
don't count because they're not
They're not legal size?
they count for numbers.
Smile.
You try swim bait, Dad?
Huh?
You try swim bait? A little darter head with a swim bait?
No, actually I think I'm gonna put a swim bait on this thing right here with a drop shot.
There you go. You got some of those small ones, right?
Which one's the 3-inch?
Oh, the easy shiners?
They have a badly
Stick fish.
McDonald's and everybody thinks they're getting sick.
Sticker?
They don't realize what it does.
What's that?
Sea
Oh, the seal tube, man, it fucks you up.
It just takes the air, oxygen out.
What it does, yeah, it replaces
Displaces.
displaces the oxygen. Yeah, I know what it does. Dealt with that shit for years. Keep the stuff from going to vinegar.
Yeah, let me borrow one of those
Right there.
O-rings.
Oh.
Let me see if I have any. I'm pretty sure I'm out of them.
They're right here now. Hey,
One O-ring.
there should be it's in there somewhere. There's a package. You gotta look around. They're there, right there.
There.
Rip it. Rip it, baby. Oh.
He's got one.
Woo.
Oh, it's pulling back. That one's a better one. It's a fish. It's actually banging your rod. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Is that on a swim bait, Dad?
No, on the worm. Ghost.
That's a blackie, dude. That's a blackie.
Yeah.
For smallmouth. Here, bro.
It's
Be
a
careful
black.
what you say, man.
Hey, Blackie.
Grab that, Robert.
Dad, it's a freak.
Grab
No,
what?
don't grab
The
it.
worm,
Robert.
the worm, the worm.
No, don't grab the worm. It's too far.
Couldn't get it? Oh yeah, you got it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a freaking. You paid probably like 10 cents worth of worm.
Damn. Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Where's the pliers? They were up front.
There's a bunch of them. What'd you catch them on, crack?
Hmm?
I mean,
Crack. Oh, Jimmy, we're using drugs now? I hear a little bit
Ghost.
of
Little ghost.
little bit of jealousy in your voice.
a little bit.
Doesn't suit you, man. Jealousy doesn't suit you, Jimmy.
What'd you do with the
Just a
worm,
little
dude?
bit.
I put it on the top of
When it
your.
comes to fishing, you don't know, man. I'm good in every other way, but when it comes to fishing,
Jimmy, seen a whole different side of you.
moving again? Fuck. You got one on, Dad?
Yeah, oh my God,
Yeah, he's been on
way
the whole
over
time.
here. He came all the way under the boat.
Oh shit.
I told you, this is oh
That's
God.
a good one, Dad.
Damn.
Oh shit. Got a lot of pepper.
Oh.
Oh, let me see.
What is it? Oh, it's a spot.
Buddy. That's a nice spot.
Oh.
Nice spot though.
That was a toad, man.
Yeah, he was fighting.
Toad McGowan.
But it was right. Hey, Robert.
Hmm.
Right there against
At
the
least
fucking
two.
rock, dude.
Okay.
Fucking A.
Fucking A, Holmes.
And then eat your lunch. Take a bite of that sandwich.
What fucking sandwich? Bring no fucking
Can't eat
sandwich.
tuna, man. He'll die.
I don't need tuna.
Really twitch it like that, yeah.
Did you put a
That's what
follow?
you want to do, and you'll feel it.
Are you gonna tie up again?
They'll grab
Bro,
it.
I just need a weight. You have a weight. You got weights?
Ching,
Where?
wow.
In your fucking
Bidet. He's got the bidet.
bidet?
Bidet.
You got tons of eggs, man. No, I don't. Looks like a lot of jigs in there. You still large.
You stole all my
I
jigs.
had to make my own, man. You fucking pussy. Oh, you're.
What'd you do with my my O-rings?
Your oh. Oh no.
Show him your O-ring. Oh.
Back, Dad.
Oh.
Okay. Show him the O face.
Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You know what the O face is? Huh? You know what the O face is?
Show. Oh, we're so
You
fucking
ever seen The
stupid.
Office? Yeah, you never seen The Office? Oh yeah, I was doing this to her and I showed her my O face.
Oh. Oh.
Damn, he took that motherfucker.
Where are you?
He nailed it.
Oh, there he is.
That's right in the middle of the. Are you using that same color?
Yeah,
Oh,
he hit it out here,
little guy,
Rob.
come on, little guy. Just roll
I'll get it.
forward,
I'll get it. Go,
forward.
you go do your shit. I'll take care of it.
Just let him touch your fish, man. He wants to touch your fish, dude. Just let him touch it.
I'll go right.
Okay, little asshole swallowed it.
Can I touch your
Bastard.
fish? Let him touch your bass, man.
Did you hear me swallow it?
Touch my bass.
That's okay.
Where's your
if you
ring?
did. That's right. Oh, were you? That was a fish.
He said,
Oh,
You
get a bite?
I fucking missed him. Because I'm trying to record your dad. Oh, fuck. See what I get? God damn it.
Can I stay right here? Or we can go forward. We're fighting.
That's what she said. Boop. Beep, boop, beep. Beep, boop, boop, boop. Trying to perform surgery here. Looks like he's got the vice grips. He's going in deep. He's getting surgical.
Oh
with
my
that
gosh, Dad.
Oh my
fuck.
God.
Dude, hey, let me.
He's
Here
killing
comes the
him.
doctor.
You're killing him!
where's the eagle?
Where's
at?
that? Yeah, you
come and
almost
get it. Just cast it right
Stop
up there.
killing him! Ooh.
Rob, you gotta go slower than that, dude. You're reeling too fast.
Oh, okay.
Just barely twitch it and just couple of little cranks and just twitch and crank a little bit. Now,
Oh, give me those other players.
what's it?
Oh, you
son?
have it for, but you got 3 players, huh?
Just eat him now, dude.
I need longer.
Oh,
You gonna bite?
yeah. I'm gonna have to fucking back out.
Yeah, what the? He swallowed it.
He got his gills, though. That's why he's big.
There you go. There you go, Rob.
Oh, he came off.
Did he?
Yeah. God damn it.
See a pop.
Ooh. You dirty motherfucker.
Come on, buddy. You're okay.
Come on. Don't get away from the light. Get away from the light.
Stay away from the light. Come on, buddy.
Put a finger in his butt, man. That always works.
That's a dog, man.
Oh, Jimmy, how do you know that, dude? Poor Hunter.
When he bites, you put the finger. I got one.
God. Oh yeah, look at that.
Shut the flip up. Oh!
It's a big one.
You're killing it, Jimmy. You're on fire. Let it go.
If he dies, that
If he
bald
dies, he
eagle will get
dies.
him. The bald eagle will get him. You'll make a meal out of him.
If he dies, he
Gotta feed
dies.
the eagles.
Let it die.
If he dies, he dies.
There you go.
Come on, buddy.
Just give him mouth to mouth.
I don't know. When you saw where he's going.
Put some weights in his belly.
Down, man. Look at it. You see him?
Yeah, he's
He's
going.
right there by the boat.
He's going. See him?
Oh, he's hurt.
Oh, there he comes.
He's coming back up. Oh.
He got abducted. He got probed. Oh, are you kidding me? God damn it.
There's case 0, coronavirus.
Fuck, coronavirus hit Pine Flat. First fish gone. We lost a good fish today, fellas.
He was a youngster, huh?
He was young.
He gave it his all, though.
He was ambitious. Just couldn't make it. White belly.
Oh shit. He's had it. I see the belly now. He's done for.
Belly up.
You're a fucking murderer.
He bellied up the first time, man.
I knew he was in trouble when you closed one eye. When you put the pliers in his mouth and you close one eye, I go, oh, he's a goner.
How long you come back from that?
I was like, oh shit, this surgery's gone bad.
Yeah, he got it right in the gills just from a dead hound, man. Bled a lot. He was a trooper though. Fought to the very end.
Circle of life.
It's a circle
No.
of life.
You haven't heard the Circle of Life story yet.
Oh, you fucking
Oh shit.
Who had the circle of life?
I did this luncheon for a funeral last Thursday.
The guy came back alive?
No.
He's a fucking
No,
zombie?
Are you gonna be a smartass? You want me to tell you the story, fucker?
Both.
Anyway.
Oh, you got a fish, Jimmy? Oh shit. Yeah, it feels weird, man. Feels like a fish. Oh, it's a fish. It looks like a fish.
It's a fish?
Yeah. It's not a drop shot, but it feels like a snag. Might be a catfish.
Is it a fish?
See, I saw it.
Yeah, look at it. Holy crap.
Oh. Ooh.
Let me get back here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, there he is, right there.
Is he
coming
wrapped
up.
in something or?
No, I can see him. He's right there. There he
He's
is.
a little guy.
Oh, that was
that's
pretty
a,
good.
That's a good black.
That's a nice black.
That's a little guy. And you're boat flipping him with a drop shot?
Oh my god, that's a nice shot.
Oh, that's a pretty decent fish, man.
Good one, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Biggest one of the day.
Yeah,
Nice, Jimbo.
Gotta start it off right. That's right, Jack.
That's right, Jack. Smoke.
Yeah, he's at least a 3-pounder, 2.5.
I got a weight chinga there
Oh, that's
right
on
there.
Robert's special color, dude.
Huh?
Rob, this is on Death by Hook worm.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. Oh shit, that's tight, dude. There, what is he?
If I had to guess, I would say close to.
About 3.5.
No, I'd say close to 3.
Hey,
Almost
turn
3.
around.
Let me see.
Check 'em.
Turn around.
2 3/4. Almost 3 pounds.
That's pretty nice, dude.
Nice one.
Okay.
You take a bunch of them, Dad?
Yeah, I got 3 of them. I'll send one to Jackie right now. About 3 pounds.
He is
2.9.
2.11, so it's almost, it's 2
2.5,
pounds, 2
Yeah.
pounds, 11 ounces.
Yeah, nice.
Nice,
It's a nice
dude.
fish.
Yeah, that's close to 3
Hell yeah. Good shit, dude.
And that's on what, Jim?
on Death by Hook special.
Yeah, let me see.
Death
Let me see
by
the.
Hook
I don't. I know the fish. I want to see the.
It's like the color worm you're using, Dad.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
is
just
it?
like yours, yeah.
Okay,
It's the one that Robert made. Custom.
nice.
They work!
Yeah, they do.
They work!
They catch big fish.
Woo! Do it again, Jimmy. Hey, put it in the water and then bring it right back out. Look at the camera. Come on, do it again. Oh. One more time. Look at the fucking camera, man.
You're gonna scare Jackie.
There you go. All right, let it go, dude. Oh! Whoa! Back flip. Yeah, it did. You murderer. Oh! That is a good one. All right, who's gonna do surgery this time? Oh, he swallowed it.
No, he didn't.
Thank you for joining us here at Death by Hook.
was trying to
Please
put my pole
subscribe
down. I
and
was like,
share
"Man, I
our
got a
videos.
snag. Damn
And
it."
if you enjoyed
a
it,
fish.
hit the like button
That's
and
tight.
please leave a comment.
In the middle.
That was
In the middle?
Robert Munoz.
Ooh.
Cast your fears away.
Going for it.
That's my hook, man. You want one of your worms?